the NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of northern into northeast Ohio, Lake Erie. Effective this Thursday night and Friday morning from 11:35 p.m. until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Primary threats include scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour possible. Summary: a mature squall line will move across northern Ohio during the overnight hours with a threat for scattered damaging wind gusts ranging from 55 to 70 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm watch area is approximately along and 55 statute miles north and south of a line from 10 miles west of Findlay, Ohio to 15 miles north-northeast of Youngstown, Ohio. For a complete depiction of the watch, see the associated watch outline update, WOW 64 KWNS WOW 0. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.